Spray with water because we will use sanding paper. Start sanding horizontally. On this, go vertically and then horizontally. Remove all stains, so if any left, it doesn't scratch your headlight. Cleaning alcohol. Let it dry. Let's use woolly putty and heavy cut polishing pasta. You need to polish about 1 to 2 minutes straight, because pasta starts working in 1 minute. Clean all leftovers. We will try go for perfection and polish one more time. I would suggest you to use something more powerful than China drill, but this is what you can do if you have only what you have. Spray polished headlight with some protection.